Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is my July Allure beauty box. I just literally did an unboxing the other day. So when I saw I was getting another box, I'm like, what? But yeah, I'm guessing that the first one I got was the June box and now this is the July box. So this box is $15 per month. I learned it, guys. I learned it. And you get bunch of stuff and they send you your little booklet with everything that is inside this box. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. I really enjoyed June's box a lot. I really liked it. So I'm hoping I'm gonna like this one too. So first thing is from Peach and Lily, and this is a glass skin refining serum, luminous and translucent. It has peach extract and peptide complex, and according to the little booklet, it is $39. It's like pretty much a full size. So let's see. I want to smell it. Has a little pump. I love products with pumps. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything at all. Nothing. Doesn't smell like peach or anything like that. It doesn't have a smell at all. This is it right here. I've been getting a lot of serums and stuff lately in my boxes. Next thing is from Osea or OC. And this is an Ocean Cleanser, Mineralize and Balance. So, oh, how pretty. I like this packaging. It's a kind of like a glass bottle. I think it is a glass bottle. And it says it's for normal, dry, and combination skin. This cleansing gel removes excess oil and surface impurities, provides mineral-rich hydration, removes makeup. Massage onto damp skin, rinse with warm water, use morning and night. That is that. I'm actually gonna squeeze some in here because I wanna see if these things smell. Oh, this one smells nice. I love this. This one smells nice and clean. Exciting. I'm loving this. Really liking that. Next thing in here is from Botanic Beauty. Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Look how pretty their packaging is. This is cute. All right. This retails for $16. You can use this as a lipstick or as a blush. And this reminds me of like grandmas back in the days, or even my mom. My mom has always used, like a lot of the times, like most of the time, she's always used lipstick to also as blush as well. And it's always worked amazingly. Back in the days, people weren't as complicated as us. Like, we have all these products and all this stuff, and you know, this is what it looks like. Wow, it's really like orangey on camera. It's like kind of like a terracotta color. Is it picking up like that? I think so. It's kind of like a terracotta color. It's really beautiful. I wonder if it's gonna be as dark, like when you apply it, because it might look like this and then it'll be sheer. Like this is kind of like a swatch, but that was like really dipping my finger in there. That's kind of like the color. It's like a flush of color, real pretty. Next thing in here is a little sample size of the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. I've always heard amazing things about this brand, and I have like a huge tub of like one of her creams. I just want to like finish using products so bad. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. This is a little sample size. Oh my god, I have to try this cream next. Like, I have to try this cream. I have to. It smells so good. Oh my god. This retails for $65. Obviously, the full size, I imagine. I don't think this little thing is gonna retail for $65. But I've heard amazing things about this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. I really love getting these little samples because then I can try out, and if I like it, buy the bigger size. That's kind of what happened with this one. I don't remember where I got this one, but it's the Confidence in a Cream. I tried it out, I loved it, and then I was able to buy the full size. We got, I think, just some information on the Peach and Lily. We also got a little sample of acne cover patch. I don't suffer from acne, so. And then the last item is this charcoal face mask. So it says Labco's Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. It detoxifies and tightens pores. I've been wanting to do a face mask Friday series on my channel, kind of like Mascara Monday, where I try different face masks because I have a bunch of them and I could literally like try them. Hopefully it would be every Friday or every other week at least. Let me know what you guys think, if that's something that would interest you. But I've been really wanting to do that and try different face masks out and let you guys know what I think and how my skin felt afterwards and all of that kind of stuff. So let me know. This retails for $3. All right, guys. So this box was great. Super. Another great month. We got the serum. We also got the moisturizing cream. We also got the cheek and lip balm. We got the ocean cleanser and we got a face mask. And for $15, guys, you really can't beat that. I really, really, really like this box. So far, it's becoming one of my favorite beauty subscription services, guys. So if you guys are not subscribed, I suggest you subscribe. I'll have the link down below. Let Marley in, please. Don't let him out anymore. So let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.